You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn how to pronounce correctly names of actual cocktails, even without alcohol, non-alcoholics, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced as mocktail, and it's mocking a cocktail if you want. It kind of tastes almost like a cocktail, but it's non-alcoholic, no alcohol. Mocktail. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.